natamani niruke nifike kule nilivyofurahi mama zake Mungu nilivyofurahi. Why is the chairman happy? Nilivyofurahi. I'm very happy. Yeah? Yeah. Bishop Elijah Karaja wa kule witagwo Portland, Oregon. Kule United States of America. Ahurire thimu aranjira, Mr. Chairman, on date 29, it will be on a Sunday. Nimakorwo na third anniversary ya kanitha uria witagwo All Saints Upendo Church. All Saints Upendo Church. And your chairman will be on board. Oregon, Portland. Yeah. You cannot be happy. You cannot be happy. Ukanyona uguo airport na gambot na ukaigua uru. You will feel pain. You will feel pain. Yeah, date 29 October 2023. That anniversary. Gatembea go airport waiting to hear, yeah, that woman who says, ladies and gentlemen, where is Danson Kenyaji Nderitu? Get on board. Thie njikarire ndege uguo. Ndute goko uguo, thondeke gathambutha. Hingure gicicio kia ndege. Nigetha horo ni cool breeze. Yeah? And you will be here riding your motorbike as always. Kiroko sadi. Ukihoro heho matu puru. Ruhuho puru. Na nikota igua wega we. Tondu thia na indo cia bata. Gina kiumia no urenda gutwarithia nduthi. Kiumia Ngamini nguhoe nguteithie. Give that time for God only. Ici mbeca itiganaga. Ici citingĩigana. Ũgwetha kuma we mwana nginya ũkamathuna. That is said. Yeah? So I will be delegating duties. Nyina Sipora nĩ ũrĩa ũkaga gũtuĩka chairman lady. Yeah, you will replace the chairman for 1 week. Ngamini no ũrĩ hata gũkũ. Nyina wa Njeri kũrĩa department ya Sai. Kimemia, you will preach. Morris Sunday School and Youth Department. Kamweji, very security kũrĩa nja. Who else? Mwarimu tũtingĩkũhe wĩra. Ona washa nĩ waremire. Ũtinde ũgĩka. Waikaranga. Ũtinde gũkũ kĩihũria itĩ na mata. Na nĩ njohi ĩyo wĩnyuithagia. Ũgeci tũtiramenya. I've never seen that. Choir come and sing.